Hi everyone, today we will show you how to change the screen size in Figma. Whether we are designing for mobile, tablet, desktop, or custom dimensions, this tutorial is for you. From the Figma dashboard, all we need to do is double-click our project to open it. Once we are inside, we can see our project and its current size right away. To adjust the size, we go below the Share button in the upper right corner. We can change the size directly here, or adjust the zoom to fit our view. For example, we can set the zoom to 200% if we want a closer look. We can also adjust the frame or page size as needed. We simply set it to whatever size works best for our design. This way, our designs will fit different devices and layouts properly. And that's it. Now we know how to change the screen size in Figma